Hello everyone and welcome to Coding 101. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to download Eclipse on Windows. So the first thing that you want to do is search up download Eclipse Windows. And then I'll just click on the first link here. Now I'll go here and click on download packages. And I'll try the Eclipse installer, so I'll go to the Windows and click here. And then I'll press download. And as you can see, the download will start down here. Alright, so my folder is done downloading, so I'll just click on this to open it. It might just take a little while for it to pop up. Alright, so now that it's popped up, we just have to wait for it to load. Great. So now that it has finished loading, I'll go to the very top one that says Eclipse IDE for Java developers, and I'll click on that one. You can change the installation folder if you want, but this is perfect for me, so I'll just press install. And now I have to accept the license agreement, so I'll just press accept now. And then it'll start installing. So now that this has installed successfully, I'll just press launch. It might just take another little while for it to start up. Right, so now it's asking for which workspace we want, and I think this workspace is perfect for me, but if you want to choose another one, then you are welcome to do so. But I'll just go ahead and press launch. And now it'll start Eclipse IDE. So it has finished starting, and as you can see here, my Eclipse screen has popped up. So from here, you can start with your first Java project, or you could go to the Eclipse Marketplace and get some plugins that will allow you to do, that maybe will allow you to code Python. So that's how you download Eclipse on Windows. I hope this helped, and always be sure to drop down any video suggestions you have in the comments below. That's all I have for this video. I hoped this helped, and thank you for watching.